Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a pizza, so I have to grease the half baking sheet with olive oil. That'll make it easier to get it out of the tray, if you will. Next I flour the island, and I'm gonna get the dough over there. And this is a good time if you want a very thin crust pizza. This is a good time for you to cut it in half or into many pieces as you want. I sprinkle a little flour on top, and now I'm going to get some of the gases, not all of them, some of the gases out of the dough by gently pressing with my fingers and shaping it into a rectangle. Consider being a Patreon sponsor or supporter, and also subscribe to my channel on YouTube. It's Carlos M. Kitchen. As you can see, the dough is very easy to handle. It is very elastic. For the thin crust pizza, you would do exactly the same thing, only with half the dough, or a third of it. This is going to be between a pan pizza and a thin crust. Once the dough is on the tray, press with your fingers on the edges and pull up a little to make the borders. And don't forget to do that on all sides. By this time, you should be preheating your oven. This is a white pizza, therefore I will put some extra virgin olive oil before adding the other ingredients. You can leave the olive oil like that, or you can brush the oil and spread it if you want the oil to be evenly on the entire dough. What else am I adding to the pizza? I'm adding gorgonzola or gorgonzola cheese and caramelized pears. Any blue cheese goes well with the pears. It's a really good combination. But if you don't like blue cheeses, I know some people that don't, you can use goat cheese as well, or instead of. I'm also adding a chopped garlic clove and sprinkling it all over the pizza. Now I'm adding the caramelized pears, and the aroma is unparalleled. It's just really good. I have a video on how to make caramelized pears on YouTube, but I will add it here too. And the last ingredient I am adding is Jamon Iberico de bellota. Bellota is acorn. So those are free-range pigs that eat bellota or acorn most of the time. And their meat is supposed to be really good. I don't know if that is a marketing thing, but it's usually expensive. But if you cannot find Jamon Iberico here in the US, you can use Jamon Serrano or good quality prosciutto. By that name, whatever ham you're going to use, make sure that it's not too salty. As I said, your oven should be preheated already at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. And we're going to bake that pizza for 12 to 15 minutes or until the borders are lightly brown or lightly golden. And it should turn out looking like that, something similar to that. Now we're gonna let it cool for about 10 minutes before eating, because it's going to be very hot. and the smell is crazy good. And it was so easy to make, as you can see. Anybody can make that. Can't wait to taste. Can't wait to taste it. The flavor of the cheese, the caramelized pears, the ham, and garlic just enhance each other's flavors. Just look at that whole combination is just really, really good. If I miss something, please ask me. Thanks for watching my video. I do value your time. Chaito.